Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video.
So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the verification code not received issue on Twitter or X. So if X is not sending you verification code by SMS or email, just follow these simple fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If the connection seems weak, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then request the code again. Next, you can turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it back off again. This refreshes your network connection. After that, make sure you enter the correct phone number or email address linked to your Twitter account. Next, you can check if the Twitter app needs an update. For that, you need to go to App Store and search for X and tap on Update if it appears. If this still does not help, you can also try restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button and volume button together until the power sliders appears. Slide to power off your iPhone and then wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Lastly, the problem could be from Twitter servers. If the servers are down or under maintenance, verification codes may not be sent properly. So those were some easy ways to fix the verification code not received issue on Twitter. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.